Hello guys, let's discuss these problems. In the first problem, what you need to do here, you have been given that PQ is equal to PR. When PQ is equal to PR, then this will make PQR an isosceles triangle. And here you need to find out the value of angle QSR and angle QTR. So how will you find out these angles? First of all, look at the figure. In the figure, first of all, what you'll do, you'll recognize the chords. So here, this angle is 35 degree. When this is 35 degree and it has been told that PQ is equal to PR and angle PQR is equal to 35 degree. When PQR is an isosceles triangle, then angles opposite to the equal sides of a triangle will be same. So if this is 35 degree, this angle will be 35 degree as well, as PQR is an isosceles triangle. Now to find out the angle at point P, let's suppose this value is x. What you will do to find out the value of x, you will take the sum of the angles of the triangle PQR. So in triangle PQR, sum of angles of triangles, which is 35 plus 35 is equal to 180 degree. Now value of x will be 180 minus 70, which is going to be 110. So here this value is coming out to be 110 degree. Now you know that this is a chord and both of these angles, angle at point P and angle at point S by the chord QR, lying in the same segment. When these angles are lying in the same segment and made by the same chord, here QR is making an angle of 110 at point P and it will make the same angle at point S because these angles are made by the same chord. So here, if this is angle at P is 110, then angle at point S is going to be 110 as well. So you needed to find out angle QSR. This is equal to QSR. This angle is QSR. Now you need to find out the value of T, which is QTR. So how will you find out? First of all, now what you'll see that here you can consider any cyclic quadrilateral you want. You know that P, R, T, Q, all these 4 points lying on the perimeter of the circle. So when you join all these 4 points, this will make a cyclic quadrilateral. As well as QSRT, this is also a cyclic quadrilateral. As you know that P and S, angle at P and S both are same, so you can take any cyclic quadrilateral you want. So let's say we are taking PQRT, PQTR. We are considering PQTR cyclic quadrilateral. In this cyclic quadrilateral, you know that sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. You need to remember all these circles property to find out the angles. So I am repeating all these properties again and again so that you will remember this. So here sum of opposite angles, which is angle at P plus angle at T, and you can write angle at T as QTR. QTR, because I am considering the cyclic triangle PQTR. So angle at T, which is QTR, sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. You have the value of angle P, which is coming out to be 110. This is 110. So angle QTR will be 180 degree minus 110 degree, because value of P, when this will go on your right hand side, the sign of this will change and this will become minus. Now on subtraction you will be getting 70 degree. So here this angle QTR is 70 degree. Now let's take another problem. In this problem, this you can see here, this is a circle here and you can see here A, B, C. In this triangle you have this angle as well as this angle. When you know two angles of a triangle, then you can easily find out third angle. So what will be this angle? What you'll do in triangle, consider triangle ABC. As you need to find out the value of angle ADC, you need to find out this angle. And you know that A, B, C, D, all these 4 points are lying on a circle. So this will make a cyclic quadrilateral. If you calculate the value of B, after calculating the value of B, what you'll do? You know that sum of opposite angles will be 180 degree. So from there you can easily calculate angle at D. So that's why I am calculating angle at B, and you can easily calculate angle at B. How? By considering triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, you know two of its angle, which is 60 degree plus 20 degree. Now what will be the angle B? Angle A, you need to calculate angle ABC, and sum of this is equal to 180 degree. Now angle ABC will be 180 degree minus 80 degree. So this will give you 100 degree. So this value is coming out to be 100 degree. After this, what you will do, let's consider cyclic quadrilateral A, B, C, D. In this cyclic quadrilateral, take the sum of opposite angles, which is angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree according to circle's property. Now you know the angle at B, which is 100 degree. So 180 minus 100 will give you 80 degree. So here you can write angle D of this cyclic quadrilateral as angle ADC. This angle you can write this as ADC, and this angle is 80 degree. Now let's take another problem. Another problem again is a circle. You need to calculate value X, Y and Z. You know that here A and C making an angle of 30 degree, and again A and C making an angle of Z. Let's join these 2 points so that you can see the difference. AC is the chord of this circle. Major segment, this will be the major segment with the bigger area, minor segment with the smaller area. So this is the minor segment. Now in this major segment, you know that as the angle made by the same chord AC at E is 30 degree. And at point D is Z. You know that in the same section they will be making same angles by the same chord. So if this is 30 degree, value of Z will be 30 degree as well. So you can write here angle AEC will be equal to ADC, circle property. So angle ADC is going to be 30 degree. Now let's calculate the angle at the center. You know that if a chord making an angle of 30 degree at the perimeter of this circle, so at the center of the circle, what will be the angle by that chord? It will be double of the angle at the perimeter. So you can write here angle AOC will be double of the angle at point E, which is 30 degree. So 30 into 2 will be 60 degree. So this is the value of angle AOC. Now let's calculate the value of X. How will you calculate? You know that to calculate the value of X, and this point is lying in the minor segment. So what you'll do, let's consider any cyclic quadrilateral you want. As you know that A, E, C, B, all these 4 points lying on this cyclic quadrilateral. Why cyclic? Because all these 4 points are on the perimeter of the circle. You know the value of E, and opposite angles to the E is B. So sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180 degree according to circle's property. So let's write down. Let's consider cyclic quadrilateral A, E, C, B. In this cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles, which is angle, you can write here angle AEC plus angle ABC. This is equal to 180 degree. You know the value of angle AEC, which is 30 degree. So what will be the value of angle ABC? When this 30 will go on your right hand side, sign will change. So 180 minus 30 will give you 150. So here angle ABC is equal to 150 degree. And angle ABC is nothing but x. So I really hope you should not have any doubts in all these three problems. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.